Imagine transforming your spare 5 minutes a day into a powerhouse of digital marketing knowledge. Welcome to the world of digital marketing, the world that's not just about selling products online. It's about connecting with the digital consumer, understanding their preferences, and using that information to engage, convert, and create multiple streams of passive income. It's the skill of the future, and it's crucial that you're part of it. Intrigued? Stay with us as we reveal 5 compelling reasons why FrequencyClick is your go-to platform to learn and take action in digital marketing. Reason 1. We offers expert guidance and insights. So you're wondering how FrequencyClick stands out in the crowded world of digital marketing education? Well, the answer lies in our commitment to providing expert guidance from industry professionals. Our team is composed of seasoned experts who have honed their skills in the trenches of digital marketing. They've navigated the ever-changing waters of this dynamic industry and emerged with a wealth of knowledge and experience. These are not just theoreticians, but practitioners who have successfully implemented digital marketing strategies for businesses of all sizes. Now, they're here to share their insightful tips and tricks with you. Imagine getting the inside scoop on the latest trends, understanding the nuances of SEO, social media, content marketing, and more. They'll break down complex concepts into easily digestible nuggets, empowering you to enhance your digital marketing skills. With FrequencyClick, you're learning from the best in the business. Reason 2. Practical examples and case studies are at your fingertips. We bring digital marketing to life by showcasing real-world scenarios and outcomes. Ever wondered how a small mom and pop shop turned into an online powerhouse? We walk you through their journey, highlighting the digital marketing strategies that propelled them to success. We dive deep into the nitty-gritty, exploring how businesses leverage SEO, social media, and email marketing to reach their target audience and drive sales. We illuminate the strategies that worked, the pitfalls they navigated, and the lessons they learned. This isn't just theory, these are tested and proven techniques employed by successful businesses. We also offer a rich array of case studies. From startup ventures to established enterprises, we dissect their digital marketing efforts, providing you with actionable insights. Each case study is a learning opportunity, a chance to understand and apply vital digital marketing concepts. With FrequencyClick, digital marketing is no longer a theory but a practice. Reason 3. FrequencyClick's how the videos empower you to take action. So let's dive in. These practical, step-by-step guides are your roadmap to implementing digital marketing strategies and techniques. They are not just about theory, they're about putting knowledge into practice. They break down complex concepts into bite-sized, digestible chunks, ensuring you understand each step before moving on. Whether you're crafting an engaging social media campaign, optimizing your website for search engines, or deploying an effective email marketing strategy, our How To videos have got you covered. They're like having a digital marketing expert right there with you, guiding you every step of the way. It's hands-on learning at its best. With these videos, you're not just passively absorbing information, you're actively applying it. So with us, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're gaining skills. FrequencyClick ensures you're not just learning, but doing. Reasons 4 and 5. Debunking myths and providing blueprints for success. As we enter the digital age, misconceptions about digital marketing pile up faster than we can debunk them. We're committed to clearing the fog. Let's debunk a common myth. Digital marketing is all about selling products. First, it's about building lasting relationships. It's not just about pushing a product or a service. It's about providing value that resonates with your audience. Another myth that needs busting. If you build it, they will come. This might have worked in the movie Field of Dreams, but in the digital marketing world, it's a different ballgame. Creating a website or a product isn't enough. You need to market it effectively to reach your desired audience. Now let's talk about success. It isn't about getting lucky, but about following a well-laid plan. We don't just debunk myths, we provide blueprints for success. We guide you through the maze of starting a successful online business from scratch. From defining your brand, understanding your target audience, creating engaging content, to mastering SEO and analytics, we're with you every step of the way. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about digital marketing, the more effective you'll be in leveraging its potential. And that's what FrequencyClick is all about. We equip you with the truth and the tools for success. So there you have it. In just 5 minutes a day, FrequencyClick offers you expert guidance and insights, practical examples and case studies, hands-on how-to videos, myth debunking, and successful blueprints to start an online business from scratch. Each of these elements is designed to empower you on your digital marketing journey. Remember, it's not just about learning, it's about taking action. With us, your 5 minutes a day can lead to a lifetime of digital marketing mastery. Start your journey today.